Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. Today we are going to study selecting an object. Selecting an object. We may want to make changes to a part of our drawing. The select tool is used for that purpose. It is available in the image group in the home tab. It is used to select the part of our drawing we want to change. We can select a part of our drawing in two ways. Rectangular selection. This selects a rectangular area in the drawing. Freeform selection. This selects an area of any shape in the drawing. Rectangular selection. To perform a rectangular selection, follow these steps. Click the Select tool. In the drop-down menu, select Rectangular Selection. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it around the area you want to select. Release the button when the desired area is selected. Now you can make changes to the selected part. Freeform selection. To make a freeform selection, follow these steps. Click the Select tool. In the drop-down menu, select Freeform Selection. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it around the area you want to select. Release the button when the desired area is selected. Now you can make changes to the selected part. Transparent selection. When we select a part of our drawing using the Select tool, a part of the background also gets selected. To remove this background, select Transparent Selection in the drop-down menu of the Select tool. Copying an object. We may want to repeat an object in our drawing. For that, we can use the Copy option. It makes a copy of any object in our drawing which can be used as many times in the file as we want. To copy an object, follow these steps. Select the object that needs to be copied using the Select tool about which we had learnt earlier. Click Copy in the Clipboard group of the Home tab. Click Paste in the Clipboard group. A copy of the object appears at the top left corner of the canvas. You can drag it to any location you want. Moving an object. We may want to change the location of an object in our drawing. Instead of erasing it and redrawing it in another location, we can simply move the object to the desired location. We can do this using the Cut option. To move an object, follow these steps. Select the object that needs to be moved using the Select tool. Click Cut in the Clipboard group of the Home tab. The object disappears from the canvas. Click Paste in the Clipboard group. The object reappears at the top left corner of the canvas. Now you can drag and move it to any location you want. Zooming a drawing. While working on MS Paint, we may want to take a closer look at our drawing. We have the Zoom group in the View tab to help us do that. Zoom in. This makes our drawing appear bigger and lets us take a closer look at it. By zooming in, we can make changes to any small part of our drawing. Zoom out. This makes our drawing appear smaller and provides us its overall look. It helps us view the complete drawing to see if our changes are correct. To zoom in, follow these steps. Click the View tab. Click Zoom in to increase the size of the drawing. To zoom out, follow these steps. Click the View tab. Click Zoom out to decrease the size of the drawing. We can also zoom in or out using the zoom slider bottom right corner of the paint window. Setting a drawing as desktop background. We can set our drawing as our desktop background. To set our drawing as the desktop background, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Select Set as Desktop Background from the menu options. Select any of the three options shown in the sub-menu, Fill, Tile and Center. Fill. The drawing fills the entire desktop. Tile. The drawing repeats itself and fills the desktop. Center. The drawing appears in the middle of the screen. Printing a drawing. To print a drawing, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Click Print. Select Print from the sub-menu options. The Print dialog box appears. Select the printer and click Print in the dialog box. Press Ctrl+P to print a drawing. So children, what did we learn in this lesson? We learned that paint is an application used to draw pictures on a computer. We can select a part of our drawing in two ways, rectangular selection and freeform selection. We can copy or move any object in our drawing to a new location using the copy, cut and paste options. Zoom in makes the drawing appear bigger, whereas zoom out makes the drawing appear smaller. We can set our drawing as our desktop background. Thank you.